quickly go over to a Twitter war that's now lashing out on Twitter. Twitter war between Uddhav Thackeray government and Piyush Goyal continues. After Piyush Goyal claimed that Maharashtra government didn't give a passenger list for migrant trains, Sanjay Raut has now tweeted, and I quote, Mr. Goyal, did you take a list of travellers when the train left from Nagpur to Udhampur on May 14th? Will you please tell what efforts you took to gather people after arranging for the train? Why are you asking for a list now? Don't forget you represent Maharashtra in the Rajya Sabha. Let's quickly go over to Sahil Joshi for more details on this. Sahil, we're looking at a Twitter war ensuing between the Maharashtra government and Piyush Goyal. Here, Sanjay Raut now coming out to hit out at Piyush Goyal, saying, despite you being a Rajya Sabha member representing Maharashtra, why are you pulling up Maharashtra for something that you yourself have not followed? He blames Piyush Goyal for not adhering to the same norms, saying that Piyush Goyal did not give a list while the train left from Nagpur to Udhampur on 14th of May. And this war seems to be escalating. Please bring us more details.
Absolutely. In fact, this is the round 3 of this particular war. It has been happening since the time of, the incidents at Bandra, where the laborers gathered outside the Bandra station and demanded that the train services should be started. At that time, the Maharashtra government actually blamed the centre for not starting the railway services. After that, the BJP in Maharashtra had a statewide protest against the state government for not being able to control the COVID situation in the state, and the way the number of cases are rising every day, and Maharashtra being on the top in the tally of the COVID-19 cases. So after that, this is the round 3 when the Piyush Goyal, the railway minister, the central railway minister, actually hit out at the Maharashtra government, asking them to submit the list of the passengers, whereas the Maharashtra government says that they have already given the list of the number of trains they want from Maharashtra so that the migrant laborers can be taken. Whereas they also claim, the Maharashtra government also claims that the list of the passengers are normally given on the day of the travel, and why the railway minister is asking for the number of list of the passengers 2 days before, and that's why it looks like that the Sanjay Raut has replied back on the tweet. This has been happening since last few days. There are multiple fights which is going on. Devendra Fadnavis versus the ministers here in the Maharashtra, Piyush Goyal versus Sanjay Raut. There was another war which is happening with the UP chief minister, where the UP chief minister tweeted saying that the state of Maharashtra could not take care of the migrant laborers, and that's why they had to come back to UP, whereas Sanjay Raut wrote in his personal column in the Samna, Shiv Sena's mouthpiece, that how the UP government and the Gujarat government have been failure to handle the COVID situation. So it's a out and out political war between the BJP and the MVA government, especially the BJP versus Shiv Sena, which is what we are looking at this point of time. It looks like that there will be much more tweets like this by end of the day, and maybe in few more days there will be such kind of wars which will be happening between the two parties. It's very clear that the COVID-19 could not stop the political war situation in Maharashtra, which has been continued since the time the MVA government has come into existence.
Absolutely. Sahil, do stay with us. We do know that this Twitter war has gone all out. In fact, it erupted only because migrants are now in the center of the spotlight. In an all-out Twitter war that has erupted between Union Railways Minister Piyush Goyal and Uddhav Thackeray government over migrants issue, after Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray demanded trains for migrants, the Railways Minister came out with tweets asking for list of passengers from the Maharashtra government and claimed that 125 trains were ready to ferry migrants back to their hometowns. Instead of amicable conversations here, what followed was a series of Twitter messages by the railway minister alleging and accusing the Uddhav Thackeray government and still, in fact, saying that they have still not sent out list of passengers to the centre as they were asked to. Later, Sena MP Sanjay Raut, not stopping at that, hit out saying that the minister, whatever the demands that Piyush Goyal has made on the list has already been sent. In fact, just earlier on Sunday, Shiv Sena, in its mouthpiece Samna, had hit out at the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. The Sena editorial compared Yogi to Adolf Hitler over the migrants issue. alleging that the migrants from UP were not allowed to enter the state and go to their native places. Later, Yogi responded to Raut, accusing the Maha-Aghadi government in fact, betraying their migrant workers and leaving them in the lurch.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.